This clean room is typically, can be about what's called a 100,000 class clean room, meaning in a square cubic foot of air in that clean room, there's only 100,000 particles. That sounds like a lot, but the reality is we're standing in millions of particles right now. Think about, when you do that in sunlight and you just see that, or the dander of our hair, or just dust. Very clean in there. We can actually pull that one down, that clean room, especially when we have our Mars missions in there and our landed missions like InSight, down to what's called 10,000 class. And then we start really working on planetary protection standards, because now we're on Mars, and the last thing we want to do is take spores to Mars. And in 20 years, we'd send another mission, and they think they found life on Mars. It just so happens to look like the human cold virus or something. So we try to be super clean about how we build these spacecraft. It's not a sterile environment. We actually did sterilize the Viking landers back in the 70s. We nowadays, with modern electronics, think about putting your laptop in your oven to try to sterilize it. What would the results be? All of these spacecraft are just extremely heavy computer processor based compared to what the Vikings were back in the day. So.